guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Hyatt Inclusive Collection application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the Find My Resort button. So within this application you can search for different hotels where you might want to stay, and you can also find the hotel that you have already signed in. So in the personal section you can check your profile and sign in with your room number and your last name and the checkout date, but you can just scroll through different hotels and find really good places to stay. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.